What we have here is an occlusal splint printed on the Form 2 with the Formlabs LT clear V2 resin. So this is the new resin, and I often get asked, well, how do you take off those supports? Looks kind of like a roller coaster. Well, the first approach is to try to press them. The contact points are pretty light, and when the going gets tough, you could pick up these pliers that Formlabs makes these ones, but any kind of pair of pliers that's got a flat bottom and a pointy edge here will do the trick. So you start nipping away at them like this. This material is flexible enough where I think I could lean into it and just rip them off like this. Good. There you go. And if there's any little pieces, you can nip them with those pliers like that. Okay, and there you go. That's how to take off supports. Any little rough edges, you would use conventional polishing techniques, lab burr, whatever. Okay.